Guys,
Okay,
there's
I'll
an
sign
op.
your flag.
There's an op that way.
It's okay, if we all push them, they can't kill us.
I can't see. I can't see. Oh no, my comrade. Alright, I'm playing Ratty
Yeah,
now.
purple is fat. Purple is fat.
How do you know?
Where did that come from?
You heard me crack the monster.
No hype.
Wait, let me see yours. Hold on. Skadoodle, MLB, Cloud9.
I just waiting for something I was not supposed to see.
Oh. Meow.
Good kill. So
Stop the first person to
Oh wait, I'm not buying this. I'm gonna get that free op, dude.
I don't know if you're joking or not, but...
No.
Yep. Damn it! They're all. You know what? I'm with you. I think you've got a squad behind you. Let's go.
We got the.
Oh my god, this is so
It's the
slow.
crew.
Can we at least like walk to the stairs?
No, we gotta
It's the
commit.
turtle fam.
The turtle fam. It's a nature documentary.
Yeah, the camera's right here.
We need David Attenborough to narrate this.
I don't think I was born.
Yellow, you gotta crouch. Yellow, you gotta crouch.
Dude, it's actually it's so OP. They
See what
can't like
happens
they
when you
can't hit.
crouch, Yellow?
Main stairs.
Ah!
Como me duele.
Sorry.
Martyr. Well, the first problem is that you have Excel open.
Yeah, you need a
I gotta crunch some
Well,
numbers.
first you need to log into your Microsoft account. You're not on
Yeah.
yours.
Hey, wait. Can you join the Teams meeting real quick?
And I got your opposite.
Look at this mess.
I'm my bullets! Nice!
Let's go, Bass Fish.
You got it. I believe in you. Keep peeking.
Yeah.
Dog.
Off to check. I spray down a lot more.
I like the A1 to spray pattern. Ooh, fucking
Angry little guy.
Shoot him.
I see one.
Shoot
Kill him. Kill him.
Shoot him. He's right there. He's right there.
Zeus him. Zeus him. Zeus him. Zeus him.
Nice flick.
I'm sorry, I got scared. I thought you were gonna be.
Our teammates.
Kitchen.
That's where you belong.
Why he sit so far back? Why doesn't he?
That's where you belong.
Get roasted. Get it? Cause you're a woman, huh?
What you saying, Rinza?
Bro, what the fuck you want, bitch? Like, fuck off. Holy shit, fucking virgin boy, bro.
Oh, yeah. I've
You
been
know, pussy,
not
bro.
pissed. You can make it through the doorway.
No.
Wait, maybe? I don't know.
Oh
Man-
my god.
The circus is in town. Oops, excuse me.
It's funny because like they're used.
Bomb down. Oh, what the fuck?
What I'm cutting. Tons last. Deagle, maybe MP5. You're alone. Nice job, Buster.
Bitch.